Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the SSD is large enough and noting your important partitions. Once ready, back up personal files and create Windows install media so you can recover if needed. Make sure you have a reliable cloning tool and the SSD manufacturer's firmware utility. Plug the SSD into the machine, use a USB to SATA adapter or spare slot so you can clone without removing the HDD yet. This gets you immediately into a safe, repeatable cloning workflow. You begin cloning by choosing sector clone if BitLocker or full disk encryption exists. Otherwise, file level works and is faster. Start the tool, select the source HDD partitions including EFI, recovery, and Windows, then set the SSD as the destination. Once cloning starts, monitor for read errors and make sure SSD alignment is enabled so performance won't suffer. If cloning software offers trim or optimization post-clone, enable it. When finished, you now power down, swap the SSD into the primary bay, and remove or disconnect the old HDD. Once done, enter BIOS or UEFI and make the SSD the first boot device. Save and reboot. After Windows starts, confirm activation, run disk management to expand or assign drive letters, and enable trim to keep SSD performance. If Windows fails to boot, use the install media to run startup repair or rebuild BCD. This single repair step fixes most boot issues after cloning.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.